Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma. So student, we were studying this chapter named triangle, right? And in the previous session, we have gone through some proofs and all, and we were talking next about this criteria for similarity of triangles. When you call that these two triangles are basically similar, because in the starting of our chapter what I told you is this, that what things are similar. Okay, so I told you that in triangle, if the ratios of the particular sides will be equal, if a triangle is similar, and I have also told you that the angles will be also equal. So let's find out with the diagram, proper diagram and the definition part. Okay students, so I am checking two triangles here. Okay, this is our triangle, let's say ABC. Okay students, now the next triangle is and this is a triangle, we call it DEF. DEF. Let's have some distance here. Okay, so if this triangle is, mark my word, these two triangles are equiangular. Now what does that mean? If both triangles are equiangular, that means this angle should be equals to this angle E, this angle A should be equals to this angle D, and this C angle is equals to this angle F. That means it's having three angles, and the opposite and the next triangle will be having these three angles equals to this one. Okay, so if both these angles will be having what? Exact particular angle, that's like let's suppose it's 60, somehow it's 40, so it will be 80, let's suppose it. So it should be also 80, it should be also 40, and it should be also 60. Now it's not compulsory that AC is equals to DF. No, it's not compulsory, but the angles should be equal. Okay, so when these angles are equal, we call it that this triangle is equiangular with this triangle. So these two will be what? These two will be similar triangles. Now if these two are similar triangles, we will write it like this: triangle ABC similar to, now triangle, now A is equals to what? A angle equals to angle D. So we will write D here. In corresponding to A, we will write D here. Now angle B, we have written B here. So corresponding to this angle, we are having this E. Okay, so we will write E here. We can't write it's like triangle ABC similar to triangle DFE. No, because angle F is not similar to angle B. Angle E is similar to angle B. Okay, and the C is equals to this F. So if this is true, then what we'll see that AB by DE will be equals to AC by DF, and BC by EF. These ratios will be equal. Okay, so let's write down these all things in a systematic manner. So come this side. This is ABC and this is DEF. So, if angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C equals to angle F, then we call that triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle DEF. Now students, if this is similar, these triangles are similar, then AB, side AB by DE, the first two here and the first two here, by DE will be equals to the second and third here and second and third here, BC by EF. Now the third and first here and the third and first here, CA by FD. Okay. We'll be using these things in our questions and theorems. So mark these. Note it, students. Okay. So I'm rubbing this. Okay students, so now we have known that what similarity of triangle actually means and how will we find that particular two triangles are similar or not. We'll simply prove that the three angles of one triangle is equals to the triangle of another triangle and we'll prove. Okay. Now in figure, triangle ACB and APQ are similar. If BC is 8 and PQ is 4 and BA is 6.5 and AP is equals to 2.8 centimeter, find CA and AQ. Okay. Students, so the figure for this question is, so it will be like, this is your given figure, okay. This is point A, P, Q and B and C. Okay students, this particular figure is given in your question. Okay students. Now you have given triangle ACB, A, C and B is similar to triangle A, P and Q. Okay. Now BC is given 8 centimeter. So, I am marking just the given parameters here. PQ is equals to 4 centimeter. So, this is nothing but 4 centimeters. BA equals to 6.5. BA equals to 6.5 centimeter and AP equals to 2.8 centimeter. Right. Now, find CA and AQ. So, we have to find this CA and this AQ. So, we have given ACQ similar to APQ. Now, if we have given this, so what we conclude? The ratio of corresponding sides will also be equal. So, given is what? The triangle, this ACB is equals to, or sorry, similar to triangle APQ. By similarity of triangle, what we'll be having? We'll be having AC by AP. I have told you first two, then second, third, and third and first. Okay. CB by PQ, that will be equals to BA by QA. Okay students, now you just have to put the values, given values here. Now BC is given here, BC is given 8 centimeter and PQ. Where is PQ? PQ is here. PQ is given 4 centimeters. Now BA is given 6.5 centimeters, students. Okay, and QA you have to find, so you have to write it as it is. Now AC is not given, AP is given. So write AC as it is and write the value of AP, that is 2.8 centimeters right there. Now you will conclude that AC by 2.8 centimeters is nothing but what? 2, and ratio of 2.5 centimeter to QA is also 2. So by equation 1, what we get? AC by 2.8 centimeters equals to what? 2, and again 2 equals to 6.5 centimeter by QA. So by these two equations, can you really tell me now that what's the value? Value of AC will become 2 multiplied by 2.8. Now you will get 6 here and 5 here, so it will be 5.6. Okay students, now that QA will become 6.5 by 2 centimeter, and that will give you what? 3.25 centimeters, students. Okay, so you have to find CA. AC can be written as CA, so write it CA. So CA equals to 5.6 centimeters, and this AQ is equals to what? 3.25 centimeter. So students, this is the required answer. Okay, note this question. Okay, so I am rubbing this. So students, we have done this one question. Now moving towards the next question, which is here with a diagram. Okay, we don't have to make diagram this time, right? In figure, if angle A equals to angle C, then prove that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now, if you have to prove two triangles similar, what you have to do? You have to either prove that the ratio of sides are same first, or if you can do this one, then prove that each and every angle of one triangle is equals to each and every angle of the second triangle, and you will be done with your question. Okay, so in this we have given this angle A equals to 90 degree. It's not written here, but you can understand it by this sign. Okay, and this angle C is equals to also 90 degree. So this angle is equals to this angle. Now these are two lines, two continuous lines intersecting at a point. So you can say that these two angles, vertically opposite angles, these two angles will also be equal. Angle A and angle 2 will be equals to each another. Now if this angle is equal, this angle is equal, these two angles are equal. Okay, now the sum is 180 degree and this is 90 degree. So we will what we will be doing, we will be equating this angle to this angle, then we will be equating this angle to this angle. If two angles in the triangle, in two triangles are same, then definitely the third one will be also same, because the summation is always 180. Okay, so proof, here with the proof. Given, we have to just write first to prove. Okay, what we have to prove? Triangle ABC ABO. Okay, ABO similar to triangle COD. Okay, given angle A equals to angle C. Okay, put it equation 1. In triangle A, B, O and triangle ODC, we can say that angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. In the board exams, you have to write it like this. You have to give a description. Why I have written this? You have to give the description that these are vertically opposite angle, students. Okay. This is one. Okay. Now, angle A equals to angle C equals to 90 degree. Yes, this is 90, this is 90. This is second and this is the third equation. Now students, angle A equals to angle C equals to 90 degree. Okay, we have given. Then we have concluded this also. Now in triangle ABO, sum of triangles angle equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle O will be equals to what? 180 degree. Simply angle A equals to 90 degree. So angle B plus angle O will be what? 90 will come here. So it will be 90 degree. The fourth equation. Like this, in triangle ODC, what will be having? We will be having angle O plus angle D plus angle C will be equals to 180 degree. Again here, angle C equals to what? 90 degree. So it will come here and it will become 90 degree. Okay. Now, angle O is taken there, angle C is taken there. Okay, so it will become 90 degree and remaining what? Angle O. Now, angle O is again same here, no? This angle is equals to this angle. So, angle D equals to 90 degree. Now, compare equation 4th and 5th. Angle O is here and B is here and D is here. This is 90 and this is 90. So, simply we can say that from equation 4th and 5th, angle B equals to D. So, from equation 4th and 5th, angle D is equals to what? Angle B. Now students, angle D equals to angle B, angle A equals to angle C and these angles are also equal. So, what we can conclude from here? That this triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay. So, triangle A, B and O will be what? Similar to which triangle? A was equals to C. So, C, B is equals to D angle, okay, and O is equals to O angle. So, we have proved that AOB, okay. So, we can, if we write it like AOB, so we have to replace this also, angle COD. So, this is the required proof. Okay, students, note it. Okay. This was quite simple. We don't have to do much on that. The next question is the diagonal of BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersects the segment AE at a point E where E is any point on the side BC, prove that DF multiplied by EF is equals to FB multiplied by FA. So first we have to do what? We have to draw a diagram as per our question. So question saying a diagonal BD of parallelogram ABCD. So just first draw the parallelogram. What is parallelogram? In which both the two pairs of quadrilateral are parallel to each other. Okay. So this is a parallelogram. Now it is called A, B, C and D. Intersects diagonal BD. So we have to draw a diagonal BD here. Intersects the segment AE. AE at a point F, where E has any point. What is E? E is any point on the side BC. Now BC we have to take a point E. So let it call point E. And what is doing? Segment AE. What is AE? This is AE. Okay. So we are drawing the figure as mentioning. So okay, we have got A and it intersect the segment AE at F. Okay. So diagonal will intersect at a point F. So this is the required diagram. Now we have to prove. What we have to prove? That DF multiplied by EF is equals to FB multiplied by FA. Now you can say that we can also prove DF by FB multiplied by FA by EF. If we prove that, then it will also be proved. Okay. Okay. So DF, EF, FA, FB. Right. Now start doing the question. To prove is what? DF by EF equals to FB by multiplied by FA. Okay. Proof. Look students, we are having this triangle FBE and this triangle DAF. Okay. So what are the things in a parallelogram? That this angle is equals to this angle. Okay. And this angle will be equals to this angle. Why? Because these are two lines parallel to each other. Right. Now this line. This is a line. This line is this line. Suppose this line is this line and this line is this line. Now this is the intersecting line which is intersecting two parallel lines at some points. So this angle will be equals to what? This angle. So now angle A will be equals to angle E. Similarly, these are two parallel lines and this line is intersecting these two parallel lines. So this angle D will be equals to this angle B, isn't it? Okay. So if I call this angle 1 and this 2 and this 3 and this 4. Now these two angles are 5 and 6. Mark these. Okay. We can use different chalks for them, na? These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal, and here these two angles are equal. If these three angles are similar to these three angles, so we can say this triangle is what? Similar to this triangle. So we'll just note it down in words first. Okay. So come here. In triangle AFC and BFE and AFD, this is not C, this is D. Okay, so in this triangle, in these two triangles, angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Why? Because EB is parallel to AD, EB is parallel to AD, and AE intersecting them. So they are what? They are what? Alternative angle. Right, students? This is one. Now, angle 1, we can write this also, that now again by this angle 1 equals to angle 4. Here AD and EB are parallel, and which is DB is intersecting. DB is intersecting. So again, alternative angle. Okay, students, this is 2. Now simply angle 5 is equals to angle 6. Why so? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Right? So, because these three angles are equal to these three angles, so we can write that triangle AFD is similar to triangle this was A, so A is equals to E angle, no? E, then F was here, F, and the D is equals to B. Okay. Okay. So, if we are saying this, then we know that the sides proportion will also be what? Equal. Okay. So, this implies that AF by EF will be equals to FD by FB equals to DA by B and E. Now, we were having this DF and FB, this is of our use, and this FA, right, and EF, this is of our use. So, mark it equation 4. By equation 4, or write in the correct way, equation this 4th. Okay, we have AF, or I can write it FA. Okay, FA divided by EF. Okay, EF equals to FD, or I can write FD equals to DF by FB, right? Now, I can just write it like this. This DF multiply by this cross multiplication, I can write DF multiply by EF will be equals to what? FA multiply by FB, that's the same. FB here and FA, you can just put it here and here, okay, equals to EF and GF. So, now it's proved, hence proved. Now note it. Okay students, so this is done. Now students, what you have to do is to try a question I am giving you, which is that don't use internet and books on that. I have told you about some theorems. You can just apply these theorems, okay students. And for your small help, I'm telling you this: if these two lines are parallel and this line is intersecting them, then mark this, that this angle will be equals to this angle. Now, this angle will be equals to this angle, okay. So, I will use a different, it's not different one. Okay students, this angle is equals to this angle. This angle equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. Now, this angle is again equals to this angle, okay, and this angle is again equals to this angle, right. Now, these two angles are also equal to each other and these two angles are also equals to each other. So, these are where we are having eight what we say angles. We are having only two numbers, these four of the same measure and these four of same measure, and we will be going to use this thing in many more questions, and I have already used this thing. So, I am just reminding you, okay. So, let us meet in next session. Thank you.